Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple charts in TradingView. So whether you are tracking different stocks, cryptocurrencies or foreign exchange, this feature can enhance your trading analysis. Let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and navigate to TradingView website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Now in this interface, just beside the unnamed, here you can see the manage layout option. Click on it. Select create new layout. As you can see, this is the premium feature and it will ask you to upgrade your plan to premium. So this is not a free option. So what we can do is, if you want to open multiple charts at once, you can open charts on different tabs in your browser. I've opened 4 different charts in my browser. So if I want to view all these charts at once, open them in the individual window. Now here you can see the window icon at the top right. Hover over it. Here you can see the 4 window layout. So you can put your charts in 4 different windows. So click on it. After that, select another chart, select another one, and lastly this. So this is how you can view multiple charts in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.